Good morning, dear students. How are you all? This is your English teacher here. I hope you have done with your previous lecture nicely. We have done with the unit number 2, lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's start with the unit number 2, lesson 5. Students, please open up your Oxford Progressive English for grade 4, page number 13. Open your page number 13 and please mention your date here. We are having today unit number 2, lesson 4. Writing is the topic. Mr. Berkey had designed a rainwater storage system for villagers without tap water. Mr. Berkey ने डिज़ाइन किया है रेन वाटर स्टोरेज सिस्टम विलेजेस के लिए जो कि टैप वाटर से अलहदा है. Find the pictures below to match these statements. You can see in the picture here, Mr. Berkey has designed this cement storage system for rainwater without a tap water. Now, let's check which picture match these statements above. Look here. The tank keeps all the water safe and clean. Picture number D. Rainwater runs off the roof and flows through a pipe into the tank on the ground. This statement relates with the picture number D. Write D here. They make the tanks with cement. It's a cemented tank, so you have to write D. Villagers build storage system themselves. They use cheap local material. They are using storage system themselves and they use cheap local material. Look here. Picture number A relates with this sentence. Write A here. If there is no storage system, the monsoon rain runs into the ground. B here. B match with this sentence. A cement tank can hold enough water for all the family's needs. It's D. Picture number D. This is a cement tank and it can fulfill the all needs of a big family. Is this clear to all of you? Again, look at the pictures and read the sentences and write the letters in front of the matched sentences. Now we have to do question number 2. Listen to your teacher's report on the water storage system and complete the report using the phrases from exercise 1. We have to complete this report by using the words in the blanks. I live in a small village. Before we never had enough water. In the monsoon season, the rain dash. Now you have to write here. The rain ran into the ground. R-A-N ran. I-N-T-O into T-H-E the G-R-O-U-N-D ground. One day Mr. Berkey came to our village. He said we should dash. We should build our rainwater storage system. Right here. Build our rainwater storage system. So my father made a water tank from cement. Right here. Made a water tank from cement. My uncle put a new roof on our house. My uncle put a new roof on our house. Now we have enough water for all our needs. Right here, water for all our needs. The animals can't get into the tank right here, into the tank, and make the water dirty. Write all these given sentences in your textbook blanks. Please write it accordingly like I have do it for you. Please follow this. I am again reading if you find any difficulty. In the monsoon seasons, the rain ran into the ground. One day, Mr. Berkey came to our village. He said we should build a rainwater storage system. So my father made a water tank from cement system. My uncle put a new roof on our house. Now we have enough water for all our needs. The animals can get into the tank and make the water dirty. Students, I hope that you will do these exercises in a good way in your textbook. So this is it for today's lecture. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Goodbye.